Hi, today we're making delicious and easy red lentil koftes. Let's get started. Red lentils are a nutritious and delicious legume widely used in kitchens. Rich in protein, fiber, folic acid, and iron, they are an excellent protein source, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Due to their quick cooking time and soft texture, red lentils are commonly used in soups, purees, and various dishes. In Turkish cuisine, they are best known as the main ingredient in lentil soup. Since they are easy to digest, they do not burden the stomach and keep you full for a long time. They also have a low-fat content, making them an ideal food for those who want to eat healthily. Red lentils contain antioxidants that support heart health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Since they are gluten-free, they are also a safe option for people with celiac disease. Additionally, they are widely used in different cuisines worldwide, becoming an essential ingredient in many recipes across various cultures. Preparation process for red lentil köfte, lentil balls. First, take 1 kilogram of red lentils and rinse them thoroughly in a large bowl several times with plenty of water. After draining, transfer them to a large pot and add 4 to 5 liters of water. While the lentils are boiling, add the juice of 2 lemons and 1 tablespoon of salt, approximately 30 grams. The lemon juice enhances the flavor and helps preserve the color of the lentils. Be careful not to overboil them. Around 30 minutes of cooking is enough. During this time, the lentils will absorb the water and begin to break apart slightly, but they should not completely dissolve. They should retain a slightly grainy texture. Once the boiling process is complete, remove the pot from the heat and add 1 kilogram of fine bulgur. Stir with a wooden spoon or spatula to help the bulgur soften and absorb the heat from the lentils. Cover the pot and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the bulgur will soak up the remaining water, thickening the mixture. After the bulgur has softened, gradually add 200 grams of breadcrumbs, or ground dry bread. The mixture should not be too soft. It should have a slightly firm texture that holds its shape. Knead well to ensure the breadcrumbs are fully incorporated. If the mixture still feels too soft, you can add a little more breadcrumbs. Once all the ingredients are thoroughly combined, cover the mixture with plastic wrap or a clean cloth and let it rest at room temperature for about 1 hour. During this resting period, the bulgur and breadcrumbs will fully absorb moisture and stabilize the texture, making it easier to shape the lentil balls without falling apart. Preparation of the inner mixture for red lentil köfte. To prepare the flavorful inner mixture, start by peeling and finely chopping 6 medium-sized onions. For a smoother texture, you can use a food processor to blend them into small pieces. Once the onions are ready, heat a large pan and add 200 grams of vegetable oil along with 100 grams of olive oil. The combination of these oils will enhance both the texture and flavor of the mixture. Add the finely processed onions to the pan and begin sautéing them over medium heat. Stir continuously to ensure they cook evenly and do not stick to the pan. The goal is to cook the onions until they become completely soft and translucent. This process may take around 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the heat level and the pan's size. Stirring frequently is essential to prevent burning and to allow the natural sweetness of the onions to develop. Once the onions are perfectly softened, add garlic powder or crushed fresh garlic to the mixture. Stir well to incorporate the garlic evenly. At this stage, add a generous tablespoon of hot red pepper paste, which will give the köfte its characteristic deep, spicy flavor. Continue mixing to ensure the pepper paste is well distributed throughout the onions. After that, sprinkle in sweet paprika powder, which will balance the spice and enhance the aroma of the mixture. Now, take the cooked red lentil and bulgur mixture that has been resting and add the seasoned onion mixture to it. Stir thoroughly so that the flavors blend evenly. Now it's time to season the mixture with spices that will add depth and richness. Add black pepper, dried mint, and cumin to taste. If desired, you can also incorporate other spices such as ginger powder, which adds a mild warmth, or any other seasonings you believe will complement the flavors. For added freshness and texture, finely chop fresh parsley and green onions, then mix them in. You can also include other fresh green herbs, such as dill or any edible raw herbs that you believe will enhance the flavor. These fresh ingredients not only contribute to the overall taste, but also give the köfte a more vibrant and appetizing appearance. At this point, the mixture is almost ready. Stir everything together until all the ingredients are well combined, ensuring that the flavors are evenly distributed. The köfte mixture should have a firm yet malleable consistency, making it easy to shape into portions. Let it rest for a few more minutes to allow the spices and herbs to infuse their flavors fully. Now the seasoned red lentil mixture is ready for shaping into köfte and serving. For more tasty recipes and helpful tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Shaping and serving red lentil köfte. Once the mixture is well combined and has rested, it's time to shape the köfte. For easier handling, wearing gloves can be helpful, as it prevents the mixture from sticking to your hands and makes the process more hygienic. Begin by taking small portions of the mixture. You can divide it into walnut-sized pieces, or, if you prefer a different comparison, about the size of a ping pong ball, though slightly smaller is ideal. In the US, the term ping pong ball sized is commonly used, but shaping them just a bit smaller will give a better texture and presentation. Now you can form the köfte into different shapes depending on your preference. The traditional method is to roll each portion between your palms into an elongated oval shape, slightly pressing with your fingers to create gentle indentations. If you prefer, you can also shape them into round balls or press them into a firmer, compact shape for easier handling. The texture should hold together well without falling apart. For serving, arrange the lentil köfte on a large plate or serving tray. Traditionally, they are served on fresh lettuce leaves, which not only enhance the presentation, but also provide a crisp contrast to the soft texture of the köfte. Alongside the köfte, you can add lemon wedges for a tangy kick, pomegranate molasses for a slightly sweet and sour balance, or even a drizzle of olive oil for added richness. Lentil köfte pairs wonderfully with a fresh green salad, adding extra crunch and freshness to the meal. For a complete and refreshing experience, they can be enjoyed with a glass of fruit juice such as pomegranate, orange, or a mixed fruit blend. This combination not only complements the flavors, but also makes for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Now your red lentil köfte is ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, our delicious red lentil köftes are ready. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you try it, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.
For more tasty recipes and helpful tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel.
See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.